Talk, man.
Up the nurse them from the SunRise team. God bless you, God now make on the food basket empty. Big up the donors them, big up the dream team them.
Yeah. You big up the SunRise team already?
Eh?
Big up the SunRise team.
I'm SunRise team. Big up you. Thank you.
Yeah.
I get one nice little dress. I remember me a told big woman now, you know.
Hey.
Yeah.
The SunRise team. Oh God, Colors love you so much. Take a look there. So many people. Oh, you know they're glad for this?
Baby, oh, baby. What, baby? Baby, your size? No. Look like you heel back there over.
Look there.
Heel back out.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well. Blessed love. Good morning, guys. So welcome. So yes, guys, the shipment, has arrived, so welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. Sorry, my apologies, guys. So welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. If you're here for the first time, thank you so much for coming. And whenever you're here, please to put the thumbs up. Don't forget to put the thumbs up. I would thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. Yes, guys, so we give thanks to the SunRise team. The shipment has arrived. Yes, the shipment has arrived, so the stuff that them sent here in Trenchtown, for the dream team and the less fortunate them to give out and everything. So we're waiting on it to arrive here, like literally it's cleared, but it's here in Jamaica. It's already cleared and everything. So yes, it's on its way. So guys, you're gonna see what I go on. A whole heap of unpacking is gonna take place. A lot of unpacking are gonna take place today. So you know what time it is. So yes, so blessed love, guys, blessed love. So stay tuned for that. We're here. I'm gonna also put in some work on Row Chef place as well too, because Mighty Joe is here, so we're gonna also do some work also on the Row Chef project. So yeah, man. So blessings.
We're for Prudence and we tell you somebody there now, yeah.
Rosa. Johnny, your pays? Cause I'm proud.
What do you mean? I see in a village or nothing.
Yeah.
You that
right away. So make a live longer.
Longer than
lasting longer. Rosa Rose said not seen me in the village.
Yeah, man. I wonder what you're going for.
A Christmas now.
Hard life.
A Christmas now, It's Christmas time. Yeah, I'm just because now hear me up, I hear him and say, Rosa, what's wrong? Whoa. Well, I said new tile cover.
I'll move it, man.
Yeah. Upgrade. Whoa,
Yes, man.
Joe. It could have wedge.
No, based on how the wall still.
Oh.
Let's use some caulking and then pasting.
Oh, chef. Oh, the bar I use. So guys, as you can see, the LP is rubbing down the wall for it to get ready. Here. Drew are going, get rid of all the little pitch bits and bobs that need to get done, because there's some little bits and bobs that's gonna get done. So once that get done, the thing goes already. So, and we're gonna literally I think we have some tile left over. We're gonna put some tile on the step right here. Put some tile on the step. Oh, smooth. Smooth, eh? So, guys, I just got the phone call. They're literally on their way now. Before when I was saying like they never left, but now I just got the phone call, so they left. So they're literally on their way. So, oh, that Johnny, strawberries. Rose, they want the strawberries. Alright. Yes guys, so they're literally on their way, like literally like now as I'm speaking to you. So in any minute now, they're coming from RGR side. RGR is to come to Sunstone, right? So it's probably about 10 minutes, 15 minutes drive, tops probably 20, depending on how they're driving. So any minute now they're heading outside to go over here to clear the big load of truck. So you're gonna see how much stuff we get from the SunRise team. Watch and see what I go on in the scheme. So many goodies for the less fortunate here in Churchtown. And plus Damari wheelchair as well to the motor one has arrived as well too. So it's definitely motor wheelchair. Plus the other side. Johnny, are we here to pack up the pot? Johnny. Johnny, Rosa are getting soup peas in the wagon. What's going on?
Yesterday, I'm gonna cook soup peas for you.
Are you cook curry?
Curry, water and fish.
So how you go with the food in the pot? What Rosa was gonna get?
You get ready, man.
You get ready?
Yeah.
Johnny gone.
The next one and it's done.
Johnny gone with all of the soup peas.
Tomorrow I'm get back more soup peas.
So you finish for the day?
Yeah.
One Johnny.
Something yesterday,
Yeah? You get some work for you, because 3rd Street want to sweep up,
Oh yeah, sir.
Yeah, man.
If you know 3rd Street,
Because the sun is shining, yes? The sun is definitely shining. Oh, Popo.
Just like you go to the one there.
Are you eat pop chow?
I'm not food.
See, what did you just eat a while ago?
Some red gravy and that. Enough food. I don't say no for Polish.
See, your brother give you gravy and rice. No, your brother give you pure food plus you have pop chow. And you have chicken there for the cook.
But I think I can shoot it up.
Rich.
I give small. I give out too much people, you know, man.
Eh?
I give out holy, man.
No more? My face the power?
Man, your face, you don't want to come on, man. Pan a panning thing, man.
Pan a panning thing?
You want blue, white, blue panning thing. Pink and blue.
Then a scanner yard?
Yeah. You know what's going on?
Yeah. My face, you say?
Yeah.
You sure?
Panning thing with the
Screw on the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah. You sure that mean that
you, man, you look like, man. And the same thing the pan board and do. So your face, the pan do.
Yeah.
So your face look pan it, man. You know, tell you about. I forgot the spelling pan still.
You got the spelling?
I think your name and the spelling the pan. No, your name.
My name?
Yeah, Kino.
Oh, the man said mine is for palenting. Oh, it's palenting.
No. Scanner mother yard.
Scanner mother yard. Scanner mother yard.
Kino, what's that?
This?
Yeah.
$50.
Let me $50. Come on, man. Give me
$50.
That's cool, man. That's some magic thing.
Magic? It's a magic. It's a magic camera. It's an abracadabra.
I mean, not that food.
You just don't eat the food, brother.
I'm not agree with this.
You just don't eat the food. How?
Piece of board,
Wash your phone, piece of board. Big up who you are, big up in England.
I can't big up a man in that England. That me big up those me. I can't bring nobody else. Give me nothing.
I'm going to give you something.
Yeah.
Where say?
Marcus side.
Hey. T1 team. Imagine Dream T1 team. That a brand, yeah? This is the Radar Apparel. Our love. Let me show them what I go and see there. Our love from my Radar Apparel. I see that our love. I even print these t-shirt. You know, Joe. This is Joe one. Mighty Joe Young. Joe said, I'll know it's nowhere yet. Imagine that. That's a your one. Beat out. Yeah. See there? Radar, our love, guys. Let's check out. Yeah. See there? Tell the Jew. So, boom one there. The our love. Radar Apparel. See the dream. Listen, you know what I like about this? When it wash out, the dream team still stand up. Same here. Let me tell you about the quality. You know, look. The dream team still stand up and you can see the shirt wash. A whole heap of time, because boom, wear this a whole heap of time. Look for bleach. A bleach you use wash your shirt, man. A bleach you use, man. If you use bleach. What you do?
The fab we have the way.
Yeah. Look here, man. There's some big bleach drop them here. Look at this. Okay.
To the answer, I take up me.
Yeah.
And enough from my clothes.
Yeah. What is out there, Joe? What is out with them seeing? Say, I'll know this nowhere yet.
Yeah, straight.
You know? Joe, well, take care. Dream Team, one team. Big up yourself, Radar Apparel. Guys, in quality, because the man has sell track suit, everything, short set, everything, guys. You need to check out our love, which is Radar Apparel. You know, check him out on his Instagram as well too. You know, check him out. Trust me, he have good quality stuff. You know, Radar Apparel. You know, our love. So once you type in our love, you can't go wrong. You know. I have to big up Gino Bambino as well too. As I can say, this is Gino Bambino. Big up yourself as well too for your merch. You know. Well, you can show them at the back. You see what I go on at the back. You see what I go on at the back.
Alright.
Where it says Kino Life in Jamaica. You see that? And that is from Gino Bambino. Gino Bambino. Big up yourself also. You know, because they don't know them and support the CMA, so we have to give them a shout out for what they're doing. You know what I mean? And the our love, see it there, to take life, same way, quality turn up. Big up yourself, our love, Dream Team, one team. And also the other day we get our merch as well from SunRise team, you know, which is we love that quality there. Big up yourself as well, Bet, you know, for choosing that. Tell you the quality bad, say nobody know where for them one to the right, they must cherish that one there. Cause it's brand new. You know. Should that one the brand new, they not to wear it yet. You know, the amount of Dream Team shirt that we have. You know? Yeah, the work. Yeah man, we get our one the other day again from the SunRise team. You know, Dream Team one team, you know, SunRise are one team. So we say Dream Team are one team with the SunRise team. You know, SunRise team, SunRise, Dream Team one team. You know, you think it's the only real team. And you see we almost finished off the road trip completely. You know, so the next step, we're gonna see what we're doing on this now is painting. So guys, give me some color. So leave some color in the comment section. What would you like to see inside the Wow Chef bedroom? You know, which color would you like to see, the inside and the outside? So come on, give me some color now. Color. Comment section. Color, what color you would like? You know, so we're gonna run some rough tile on the step right here. So you know, so we have some rough tile. But we can't tile. I can't tile. Top here can't tile. Yeah. Cause this is how much step? This is a 1, 2, 3, 4 step. So it now got take no whole heap of tile. You know? So you have some big pieces. So they cut it and fit in another piece, you know. So they fit. Yeah. Oh, chef is gonna move it in. So you know it's a good Christmas. Good Christmas gift for him, you know. I hope my phone I ring and hope says this is the truck I come now. Yeah, must them this. Yes, must. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, it's on 3rd Street. Yes, off Smith Drive or West Road. Drive, or you can come up West Road. Where you coming from? Sparringstown Road side? Linda's close. You're coming from where? Jungle? Yeah. Yes, blessing. Where are you coming from? Sparringstown Road side, or are you coming through Annex Garden? Okay. So if you are coming through Annex Garden, what you can do, you can turn on 7th Street where the police station is. No, you're not going to trench on school, but if you come down Smith Drive, you probably have to go back down Sparringstown Road and come back up, because the street is one way down and one way up. But they're on 3rd Street. But on 3rd Street. So what you could have do, you could have turned on 7th Street there, so. Okay, yeah, so it's not on the building side, it's over where the Bob Marley side. Yes? So how long? So we can look out. But how long? Yeah. So how long will it be? I tell him a while ago. 3rd Street. So, yeah, him said no, him know where it is. Trenchtown. Third Street in Trenchtown. Yeah, the driver said him said no where it is. I'm here. We're here waiting. Yeah. How long would it be? Yeah, so how long that now? No, but if he's gonna leave now, I just wanna know how long. But we're here. Alright then. So we're here. Alright, cool. Alright guys, so them the bottom way. They're on their way. So you know the thing go. So more heavy load. See everyone strength.
Asking.
Foot and touch or so, and it's like, see them. Oh, that. Oh, I hit at the tape.
Yeah. So it was sticking something funny, so when this touch it, it will hold it tighter.
Okay. Oh. Okay, see the wallet. Hey Joe, I go big in this, the trade man thing, you know.
She's right.
Yeah, I go big, brother. Now, right, cause you know your work, you're talented for your job. The guy's no joke, you know. Joe man make it big, man. Big trade man. Know him work, man. Definitely gonna make it big in his trade work, I understand? Trust, when you man paint fast, quick. So you're so quick to flash out, you know, so quick and fast when in your paint. Cover the whole of that. Cool. Oh, remember the side part is in the bathroom here? Right at the door, that's how to go in. And you have to put beside tape that let me see how to do this.
Yes, look at this.
Yeah, nothing was there. Alright, now I'll go over to the street for the truck. So reach, alright? Come in. Man strength, we're gonna need man strength. Alright, this need to come out. Talpi, what your legs? What's wrong? Oh, wait on the truck. Wait up on the truck. Hey, kitty. Boy, I'm say wow chef really deserve it. You know, one thing we know, we cannot leave wow chef on the wayside, not time at all. Wow chef is a man being given back, you know. He's been there, you know, for the longest while, helping out CMA. Cooking for the elders, then say don't know it goes already. So we only can do what we're doing step by step, you know, one at a time, you know, because one thing in life you have to have faith. Faith is patient. So once you have that in life, you don't even know what, you know. So that's all we know in life. You have to just have patience, you know, because most of the need is there, you know, but everything takes time in life. You know, so this is what it's like going through the trenches. You know, I like to show you guys the trenches here in Trenchtown. You know, going through the trenches, zinc fences. So this is for the future. We want to eliminate all of these things here. You know, people to start by blocks and build them original walls. You know, instead of zinc fences. Them say in life, you cannot forget where you're coming from, because you will never know where you're going. You know, you never know where you're going. See, if you can help a brother up on your way, you help him. You know, so you can give a strength to give it. Trust me, it's life. Oh, go on. Smile them, no while them.
Tell you, man.
Soldier suit. Alright guys, so the truck just arrived. Key on this.
No, man, my G.
You know me?
Yeah, man. You know me, man. You know me.
Yeah. I say go man, people have been here sometime and you know them, right? So this is the big truck. I guess we're gonna put them to the
I think I YouTube and man, John and things.
yeah.
That black going up.
Yeah man, we're breaking a wash way. Cooler man, see there? Man know what I go on man. So we have a 20 or so, you know, so we just do what we can do then, right? Yeah, we can put them on the sidewalk then. Yeah, we can block off the road, so if anything is coming up, we just turn back.
And school, $100.
Yeah. Baby, come here with some shit. Alright. Yeah, man, good as well. Guys, so the truck just arrived here. Wow. Janu. Yeah, Janu. Wala, you believe them. I bring out the lift. The wheelchair for Damari. Oh. Yeah, oh. Chinaman. Yeah. Watch if you got crashed already. Sing the water and on the sidewalk. Come on it. Eh? What a whole heap of stuff. Shipment long, whole heap of shipments. Shipment long. So hold this. Hold this. Alright, you send that.
God, when they don't pack out. When they don't pack out.
Love our pie. So I said, like our pie, deep fry, anyway. Voila.
Shit, man. SunRise. Everything just right.
A 2 week ago? No, 1 week ago. A 2 week na sir. You go away for that be 1 week and then 2 weeks. Exact 2 weeks. You can't grip that. You might drop it down? Oh, you might drop down this way. God, we never go on it to get sweet ride. The bottom bird.
Alright. SunRise, the nurses them did it again, boy. The nurses them did it.
God, I never go up. Going up. God, I look frightened while I go when it's some move. Yeah, better so. Where's the Scotty? Don't step back no more, lady. You better when it's high, you know. Can't loan that for Ben.
Yeah, going off bed.
Wait there, then if you are telling him and he not believe me, it will come from your mouth.
I don't believe it, though. You telling him not believe it.
Show me ID. Yeah, Jody, show me ID and take him that believe. I look so
lucky. Are they miss? Wow. Yeah. Guys, the shipment just arrived. God damn. Park them down, park up. Well. What a whole heap of stuff, I don't know where to start. I'm confused. SunRise. Why? First time in my life I'm confused. Don't know where to start and what to choose. I want to give thanks to the SunRise team, you know, we thank them so much. The nurses them. We can't stop thanking them, boy. We can't stop thanking them. Wow, the worship.
Yes, man.
Shipment arrived.
Whole heap of love, enough blessing from a two heart them. Listen, I say, SunRise. The ladies them love on you, the nurse. Blessed love on the nurse.
Yes.
Yeah, man, love on you.
The thing is, yeah, Esther.
thanks for the support. We really appreciate it from the SunRise nurses. Love.
Don't know where to start. Boom.
Well, SunRise crew, love and blessing and thanks, yeah, for this, yeah. Yeah, one love.
Yeah. Pay.
SunRise, whole heap of blessing now, whole heap of love, you know. Whole heap of support, you know. Thank you very full, you know. Whole heap of food, whole heap of people, you know. Yeah, give thanks. I make the love more spread out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am. Extension family, one love, you know.
Every time.
Shit.
Every time. So guys, right now, so boy, we don't even know where to start, but we have to go do the smaller box them. We have to go, but we have to open the box them and see why in them still, so we can know what's in the box them. Boy, chef, where your knife there? Where your knife for, chef? So we can cut these small box, so we can know what's in them. Yeah? Oh, I open them to small box and see what's inside of them.
Battery, you know.
What kind of battery?
Big battery.
Like battery, rated battery.
If you want a knife, right? Tape up in the box there, tape up. So I want to know what's inside. Oh, there's some big batteries. Okay. Alright, so we put the battery them one side. You can put the battery them on the counter here. A battery that, right? Whoa, boom. Put it in the box here, man. Take the box and done. Put it on the counter. Oh, these are wipes. So you know, so these are wipes.
They're right, Salamanca. Oh, they're on it.
They're on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's in it?
These are socks. Oh, these are some of the socks. Let me see them again. Patient. Oh, look. Tarpy. Come on, we'll start bringing them things, you know. The box them. I'll put them down in that one. Take up that one in. I'll put them down in so underneath the counter. That's that. Oh, that's it. Spend on this. This inside.
Very good. I got some too. Oh, urinary drain bag.
Oh, the drain bag them.
Yeah, urinary drain bag.
Oh, that Mary can get some of them there.
Yeah.
Alright. Maybe not a marker. A marker. Yeah, a marker over there. Let me one, no, please. Let me one, me say. I said, let me one. No, I said, let me one.
Careless shampoo. So you watch that. So go in there and you don't cry. Or baby shampoo.
Oh, for baby.
Yeah.
Baby shampoo.
Sugar and fish.
So that's the one if you go in here, you don't cry, right?
You don't cry. Go in there.
Shampoo.
No fear.
I thought you with the money can go. Oh, you go right way from the marker. Oh, the free marker can't come yet. This is what
Here step. Like the same.
Socks.
Here step, yeah.
See you next one then.
Next one.
We mark them, use the marker so we can know when at the box.
Here step. Avoid the girl. Avoid.
Yeah. Oh, see that, see them. Different color. Pull out one, me see it. Oh. Oh, this is what them. Oh, it have a grip on it.
Yeah.
So all if I mark away the stuff, but you know, no.
Go on for one.
Now come on in.
I think you leg bar.
Yeah. The leg one there.
Yeah. One side. Drain. One side. It's a drain bag. It's a leg. You want to look on it?
You saw it, look. It's a whole heap of water. Alright, look at boxes, boy. So them have rice and flour. That's what, rice and flour? What that? Thanks.
Probably go for your leg. Probably go for your leg chemo. And you will get your leg. And it's waiting to stay for your leg. And probably the other one must see the outside. You understand?
You know, baby, I tried.
No, see the fan so.
You can plug it in.
Plug it in.
Yeah.
See the move on us, man. Boy, I come.
Wow.
No, they man straight.
Hey, plug them in. That one I wish.
Outside. That's probably the on the outside where you can drink and the one is for your leg.
Oh.
Like remember him call as the boss say?
Oh.
Can him leg you can't know same appetite.
Try ask. But he's gonna get Ginger and ask him if he know about that. Yeah. Ask him if he know about that. Why Barney Bob? See the work cut out. This our flour. All purpose flour. This now work for fried dumpling, you know. All purpose flour. Whole heap of fried dumpling, that you know. You can cook and fry. You don't need no baking powder. Hey, baby, can fry dumpling, see there? This is what evaporated milk. Sure. Cool.
The rock them now coming up. The park certain thing they know rock can reach all of them anyway.
Them are socks still, so.
People are up on the ground. And coyotes right here.
Them now go. Put up on the counter. That's how we show that. Stick them one up on the counter too. Drain bag. Sack. Yeah, I look first. Yeah. We say himself can't work well?
Yeah, it can work, you know.
Okay.
What I want if you have no pump.
Oh. No, Ginger, the drain bag himself can't work. Plug it in. A socks that too?
Yeah.
I'm shifting.
I have to write it on the
Yeah. They want to write it big.
right on.
This is a toothbrush. Very nice. Colors. You know what that?
Oh. No, yeah, but me not.
You know you got? Oh. Oh, okay. Pampers. Yeah. Hospitality.
Okay, yeah, now we have to go find people
No, we're going to put some of them stuff here out of the box in it. That way I forgot though. Yeah, my rice crispy. Cereals. Cause boom when you drink them thing, alright? Of course, I know Sam drink them shit, yeah. Rice crispy, eh?
Well, mix it and drink it.
Yeah, with milk. It's like cornflakes. A cornflakes, you know. But it's more, yeah, it's more smaller one.
So you're going to use that back and put the right back in the pan and let it in another bit back. So you know, take out them and like it out
Yeah. It's the back of the marker, yeah.
Yeah, them win. Yeah, them
How you win, Sams?
Yeah, man.
Sams, how you win? What that for?
Them run.
And I run him run, I walk him walk. How are this? Track? Where you come? What kind of race you run, my?
Really?
Really? Oh, really on run? Cornflakes. Yeah, you cornflakes.
Thank you.
Sharpie, cornflakes, whoa. How much of them in there? Oh.
So it's an
Ese no.
That mix is just for our milk. You don't get one?
You get one? Let us give it to somebody. More next week? Yeah, boy, are good. What you get?
Yeah. Better one I see one.
Noodle.
Yes.
Chicken noodle, them and our.
Yourself. Come on, Tyrone. It's nice.
You know what it?
Yeah. You don't know everything in there. Yeah, chicken in there, everything in there, just for mine.
How much of them now? Body cat. Tap it. Can you?
Yeah.
Today you don't know that when you're smart again.
Yeah, Joanne. Joanne, we have clothes for you too, you know.
You have clothes for me?
Yes.
Come here. We have big, large, and medium.
Big, large, and medium. Eh?
Now give you money.
Oh, that you can drink them super, right? TB. That you can drink them too, though?
Yeah. One for Bobby.
Yeah? Yeah, I guess do a water, man. So, how is that so?
It's a flashlight.
Oh, the flashlight is here. It wasn't like gone. That's why the battery them is there. What if I light I will go on that church stone, right? Bring one of the big battery come. Box a big battery.
It's one big spray.
Right.
We're back.
Okay, you want?
Oh, yeah.
You want the battery in there? Sam!
Soup, chicken soup.
Sam!
Different size. Next time.
Where twin them there? Twin them will drink them.
Go on the fatter one then.
A chicken soup. Wow.
To take it and I make fashion. Big guy. A pamper. Pamper, don't it?
Oh, pampers in there. So, some pampers. Oh, get some pampers up at the golden age.
When?
For the home?
Today?
Not for do it today. No, not do it today. And a baby. Oh, yeah, blind me. Fire car colors now. We give the pampers. Wow.
Right, pampers.
Wow. A ginger size is all. Medium. Ginger.
Yeah, man, scrapper gin, you know?
The ginger there.
What is?
A flashlight. Huh?
See like this, huh?
Colors.
Right from the back there, Mark and
Yeah, see. Colors, come here. Come. The nurse had me there one day, but he wasn't here. And they was asking for you, so I went to pick up the SunRise team. They call it SunRise team, those are the nurses. The nurses send these here in Trenchtown.
Yeah, man, big up the SunRise crew.
Team, yeah.
Big up the SunRise team from Colors, you get what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm heading over to Norman Man airport right now. Yeah, I was just so sorry you ladies didn't see me when you came to Trenchtown. I did went to the airport.
Yeah.
So I'm heading over there now to go look for some money, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, big up to all the nurses.
Yeah.
Oh, probably when you came back to Jamaica, you will see me.
Yeah. Check it, give me your size. Our size are here. Then a large. A large? How much? Sharon! Big
Joe, forget that flashlight. Remember Big Joe.
Sharon, a 2 you must get, you know. Oh.
So, finish it.
Put on the Big Joe. Oh. Esther, cut 2. Eh? Where's it?
More things?
Hold on, don't move. Let me look. There's more things there.
Come here!
Chief, come here. Come check in here, so. Yeah, go on. Cause I think you have things in there what can fit in. Hallelujah, come here. Come stand here. That have a Christmas, you know. That can fit him, right? Some kids come. Joanne, get your kids them and come and we'll try something.
I want kids to
come.
But you have to pick them and come say them and go and play with us.
And I say this here. This is a big place.
Uma, come check up between them now.
This can't fit.
That everything is brand new, you know. Chips, telephone. Hold on. Check us off your twin. It's like the boy already. Medium. I'll be able to fit him.
Joanne Grand fit me here.
Them cause them a finger kid stuff in here, you know, so.
This can't fit that, no.
You have it?
Joanne, come here, so. No, that girl one, that one, them have a stretch it, bro. That girl.
Yeah? Oh yeah, the machine, them still must find somebody who's gonna sew.
Sharon, where's Sharon?
I can't beg it, please.
Where's Sharon?
Maya, you are so killer.
No, it's some other young Gina.
Maya,
Yeah.
killer. That's why I beg you, yeah.
Where's she there?
Maya the pillar. Yeah.
Eh? Where's she there? Where is she?
She not there yet, no.
When she come and give her present to her.
She make so if you look here, what is not big something come up.
Give me one. Okay. It's a fish dad. You want that? Oh baby. Yeah, burger thing. That dips. Joe one put on. Let's see. I wouldn't get. Mayonnaise dressing. This mayonnaise.
We are
the adult one,
Let me see.
Oh, adults. Backstrap. Pick over that box here. I'm going to see what I go on in the box there. Jackson. Jackson. Them thing are phone size. You just play as well and just look what I go on. My phone size, man. You don't look what I go on. White shirt, a Euro size, that brother. Slide it there. Slide it.
Look where you want a white t-shirt.
Light box.
Like that. I think you are right there.
Esther, what is to me? So, Cap, you with that back strap?
Yeah.
Colors, we are safe to see in the moment here, yeah? No, we never want to bust it like that, because we are going to lift it up. You should have done it, but you done bust it already. So that now we have to go empty that definitely at the next box.
You want a big clothes, you want sucking clothes, like your hair size. Sucking clothes, I want to go, you see I scrape the one of them. What me a scrape?
Rashida? Rashida, hello. Rashida, we have to make them choose something for the boy. Come now. Put on that now and come.
Oh, you put it on the label them.
Want water? Kauda, Zaire. Rush. Oh.
Zaire.
Yo, how much size is?
Fire, come on.
Fire. See your size there. Nobody put it down. Nobody put it down. Nobody put it down. Nobody put it down.
Jesus Christ. Murder wicked. Oh God.
Well, Christmas. How is Christmas? Fat Tappy. Watch what I go on with me. Remember, I said the thing them new. We can't make them mess up, you know. You find something for yourself? Yeah. I don't find if you look a boy.
No, I'm not going to see my cities to me.
There's another box there. I think that box there with them there.
Oh, but that's time I get them
I didn't nurse them. Where they are, they not them send them, you know. See water over there, sir. Take up a case there now.
I can stop there.
Smile. Well, guys, we really have to thank the SunRise team. You know, we thank them so much because, listen, these things are going to go a long way. You understand? It's really, really going to go a long way. You know, it's really, really going to go a long way. Mr. Jackson, see Mr. Charmaine here.
Hello.
Yeah, come on that side as well. Oh, yes, the chair?
Yeah.
Alright, so you have a chair. I'll make him get the chair then. Natasha, here. Natasha, come on, Natasha, come on now, this. Yeah.
Yeah, there, do the work, mommy. Yeah. Love our one. Yeah.
Natasha, come in at the thing.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yo, see that? Yo, big up. Only for love and blessing, yeah.
A blessing. Yeah. Yeah, she told me she's going on a cruise. She's going on a cruise. Well, you know, after we're gonna see what left, because we're gonna make them have what they want, and then now we're gonna store what's left. Yeah. Sure. Cheers. Alright then. Alright, bye-bye. You open the box wrong again. Listen now. We want some. We thank the SunRise team. So blessings and thanks to the SunRise team. See that job?
Thank you, SunRise team. Thank you very much.
Hey, come.
You got work pants?
Yeah, that's perfect.
You big up the SunRise team already?
Eh?
Big up the SunRise team.
I'm SunRise team. Big up you. Thank you.
Yeah.
I get one nice little dress. I remember me a told big woman now, you know.
Hey.
Yeah. Big woman. Yeah. No, my 7 can't fit me step back. Let's take it work pants. Oh, this is
Oh, go on. Good. Well, I got to say, boy, we cannot stop thank the SunRise team, you know, as you can see, you know, with this stuff them, you know, we make putting them to use, you know, everyone can get something, you know, we thank them so much, you know, it's really, really a blessing, so, really a blessing.
You can't do that, just me a drink back juice.
Come here, we're drinking bag juice. It's a Jamaican thing. We don't drink bag juice from there. Say hello.
Hi.
Say thank you guys.
Me not done.
So, yeah, I must still say it before you're done.
Thank you guys for the free stuff.
No, you gotta pay for them. So everything we have, $20
I price on them, so you pay for them.
Yo, Jay, there's a fuck you link this.
Where? Them there? Them finish? Help Esther, yes. Help Daddy, please, Esther. Make Daddy get some stuff. You good? No, them are the finish. Big. Yeah. Them finish.
My if I close them, the color no colorful.
Evaporated milk. It's diluted with liquid water. I can put sugar in it. That milk, you know. I can boil porridge. I see milk.
Porridge, you use it to boil porridge.
Yeah. Come on, there. I want to tell people find all over there. From the box shop down there, man. Beer pumpers. Eh? Yeah, this is a mask. No, a mask. No, a mask. COVID time gone long. What me now? You have to what me?
We'll find a shirt.
I should not search for Bobby Joan. You could look for something for your what? For killer we to Joe back. Of course.
Miss Tatty wants slippers, she go and walk in her heels and she can't manage. So one here, Miss Tatty.
Hey, Miss Tatty hot now. That can't fit her. Oh, see that? Take out the box, man. Now pull everything. Master. Dengue? Cut them, say? Dengue there. You need to get the roots. Snagger roots.
Wanna find a fancy Bobby or a killer here?
Something that's a killer here.
Killer here, sir. Some killer here, sir. Actually, that's a killer. Can't fit your fancy. She don't want to work on it.
Chips. Big up the nurse them from the SunRise team. SunRise team.
Big up the nurse them from the SunRise team and God bless them.
Talk up now, you talk so soft, your big bag. Talk man.
Big up the nurse them from the SunRise team. God bless you, God now make on the food basket empty. Big up the donors them, big up the drink team them.
Yeah. Statty, you get something?
Yeah.
Statty, you can walk in at this, you're young.
Oh, you mean? Can't walk in at it, darling.
Baby, how I go on with that thing? You see what I go on that in the eye?
Yeah, can't fit me, man.
Can't fit you? Esther, you broke out that thing?
She said she loves that one, yeah.
You like that? So that you, so that you, where you gonna wear that too? Yeah. So that, Esther, princess.
Yeah, go wear them, man.
Go on. You might get the water. Go on. Gold. And make you choose some stuff, yeah? Yes? You can look where I go on. But the box them there, you can go on the stuff for them there, eh?
I would look for football program and look about the same maybe I'll sponsor on water.
Okay, yeah man. Yeah, which football program there?
By school.
Okay. So, killer where? What are the colors?
Yeah. Oh, that's so big look like. My back is itching me a lot. My back is itching me a lot. What I'm saying, I thought more back strap right there, but this guy is only one.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying, I ain't going over there to lift up no luggages.
Yeah,
I just hang out to see if they see nobody will know me.
Yes, because
my friend them, they say like, they say like how the back is giving me problem, they don't want me to lift up no heavy luggage, and then But you get what I'm saying?
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I'm just going over there, stand up, see anybody where see me on your program.
Okay.
So we can, you know,
Get
you know they
back
always like give me a little money.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you know, right now the Christmas time I'm back, like I pull a muscle in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can't. I have to big up the nurse them again. What's the name?
The SunRise team.
The SunRise team. Oh God, Colors love you so much. Take a look there. So many people. Oh, you know they're glad for this?
Baby, baby. What, baby? Baby, your size? No. Look like you're heel back there over.
Look there.
Heel back out.
Yes, sir. Now do road, man. You see?
Yeah. Come here. Kylo, come here.
I get water and I get some milk.
Your size, them here? Yeah?
No.
Is that your team one?
Yeah.
You get your one already?
Yeah.
Welcome to Dream. No look anything for Dream. What's Smiley there?
She's gone.
Your mother gone? Killer. Eh? A woman pants. Oh. Fire. A woman pants in the fire for killer. Hey, look. I want up on the ground.
It's not good.
Killer. That's how I could have find on the t-shirt. Esther, come here. Killer, stay right here, so we'll find some more stuff for you, yeah? And shirt, that can't fit in. That can't fit in?
That's like a woman shirt.
A woman shirt, yeah. Come on, baby, please. That can't fit him? Killer can't wash that. Eh? Oh, the wheelchair. Okay, that wheelchair. Boom. Look at that wheelchair there.
Yeah.
A short but a whole start and go on.
Yes, watch your back. Pull it. Put your bag in there and pull it out and put the bag in there. A film size that too, you know?
No, I'm not sure. I'm just pushing.
Come here, come tap the nurse.
Put on the camera.
Come tap the nurse then for the SunRise team. Come. Me fix her ear, guys. So no worry yourself.
Fix it. Ragamuffin already.
So guys, so this is Zayn, the little boy. Well, you see her face on the program with her son that got shot, one in the wheelchair. His name is Zayn. How old is he again?
11.
He's 11, you know. So the nurse is Miss Charmaine, you know. The wheelchair is going to the right person because he needs a wheelchair, right? Yeah, so we're going to make him get the wheelchair, you know. So Zayn is going to also get adopted as well too by one of the nurses, but we're not going to take him away from her, you know, but they're going to give support, you know, to help him out. So what go on? Yeah, so we want to thank the SunRise team. Alright, it's open, right? So thank the SunRise team.
The SunRise team, thank you a lot. God bless you all.
Yeah. No, they're not take away your son, you know, the mother's go and keep it. Alright. What happened to you? What's wrong? What's wrong? Eh? What happened? Hush. What happened to him? Hush. I'm a pipe and something up the road. I'm a pipe and something up there, so you know. I bought him one. Eh? That can't fit. You keep him Papa already. Oh, no, please don't let the clothes them go up on the ground, yeah? Please. Alright, are you that, you know? Are you that, no? I use say you want them bling there and string, you know.
Who want to get married?
Brand new.
So only for walk, you know.
We don't have no more money.
Look on this nice dress. Oh, this can fit. This nice dress. You see something you like? Wait, show me what you like. Look for something that you like.
I'm picking something for my brother.
Okay. Put this, come choose something for you and them now. Choose something for you and them. You have to just run through them. Plummy, what go on? Yo, say Plummy here, you know, fire. Come look for something for Plummy. Plummy is here. Come look for something for Plummy. Plummy, fire, look for something for you, yeah? Ah, as him come up inside that. Don't move, Plummy, wait. That is your size. Right away. Yes. Not too big. I'm going to top you're going to find, right? That shirt. All this plumbing. T-shirt, huh? What boom? Pants they look bad. The pants they look bad. Yeah, see, I said, oh, the brown, I go in the box. Another box. Damari? Yeah, you don't find on the film.
This can fit him.
T-shirt?
Yeah.
This alone fine? Those fine.
Black t-shirt.
Look something for you. Two of them so far. Let me see that shirt there, princess. See our shirt there?
Yeah, tell them the sock of them. When they are, from gone.
Yeah.
Big.
Put some t-shirt for Damari as well. A man pants that? Yeah. Yeah, man. That can fit Damari? Eh? No. Man. Let me see that pants. Show that pants. Let me see that pants. Oh, that one. This probably can't fit Damari. Look on this boom. This can't fit Damari, right? Too big? One t-shirt, you that. You that. Fire. We give us in a size medium t-shirt.
Big
For Damari. Let me see that one then. What's that? Yeah, that big?
Look,
Looking at the size.
it's extra large. All of them are selling they sleeping in there. I like sleeping up. China
What I go on? You cold?
No.
Damari that. That to fit him. Yeah. I think. No? No, I'm saying Damari. That guy for the son? Put it there for me. Oh. You doing sewing? Boom. Pass that for me.
Oh. You're boring.
Yes, we should lucky. That's true. If you're there from early, was the right time. Alright, so.
As them get it, so 2 pillar for clean up.
Yes, so them
As they get it, so
2 pillar, of course. Yes, more you sew 2 pillar for me as they get it, right? So we have the nurses from the SunRise team say, I must look for someone that who's good gonna sew, you know, which is you're young, so I can guess this is what you want to do, right? Sewing. So we're gifting you this from the SunRise team. Wow, it's heavy. What? So I want to thank the SunRise team from the USA.
From where?
Florida.
Alright, so thank you to the SunRise team from Florida. So I appreciate it.
So yeah, so we can get 2 pillar, right?
Yeah. Not you, him.
Alright. So
Alright. Too much people want to get this. I'm tired.
So you that, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright then. So at least I'm gonna get 2 pillow case, 2 nice pillows. Oh, but me must say at Christmas time, you know, what the thing name the runner? You make runner too?
My grandmother makes sheep.
What you make?
Pillow and cushion.
Pillow and cushion. Okay, so I'm going. Yeah, what name them thing there? Pillow and cushion and what?
Pillow and cushion. That's it.
Okay, so she's saying pillow and cushion. So I guess I'm gonna get pillow and cushion, right? Alright then. So Christmas come early. So that's your Christmas gift.
Thank you.
Christmas come early.
Yeah, Eddie,
I put this baby.
Oh.
yeah. Yeah,
I put them back some shorts and I get that are so fat.
Oh.
I get to put them back some shorts and the things them is very nice.
Yeah.
Because I get 2 blows to myself.
Yeah. And please don't make the things them start pay. No, don't put the things them on the ground. Please. Photos. Are you playing it on the ground? Are you on them there? Okay.
Watch out the clothes, watch out for that.
Take it off.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Go and show something, go on.
Yeah, I look 2 little pieces, JJ. And the baby, where you not going?
Yeah, right. Yeah, but the control, they are similar to 17 to 5.
Yeah.
They are similar.
They're new brand stuff. They're new. They're all brand new. That can fit you. So if you try it then.
Come catch up to the young girl. Where she there? Come here, sir.
No, please, don't put the clothes them go up on the ground, please.
When are you? Just put them up.
Well, the SunRise team did it again, they did it again, them did it again, you know. The SunRise team who did it again, you know, I want to give thanks, thank you so much, you know, for giving back, you know, here in Trenchtown. Thank you so much, you know. Killer. You get anything? You not get? Baby, I gotta look for something for you, baby. What size you know wear? I want to see your foot. That can't fit. Can't fit. What size you wear? You know what size I wear?
You must wear size 10.
Take up that. Fire. Find some shirt. Oh.
And then you still send rubber with you.
Oh, the bag will feed two of them. Okay, so you get out of that bag, okay? Yeah, that, the bag right here.
Them mother and them sister me are looking for.
Okay, so you gotta get stuff out of the bag. Stay right there, sir.
Yeah, push all the bag and push them down.
We're gonna do them there. It's in something. Put them back.
Yeah.
Mommy! Come here, Mommy! I'll get the old man from the chair.
Aye, watch out. Aye, SunRise, see what I say to the ad say? The SunRise team. So big up the SunRise team.
Big up SunRise team.
Come fire, big up the SunRise team.
Big up SunRise. Big up yourself and thank you very much. Bless up. This can be
Jackson.
Every time, love me every time. Big up all of them. Every minute, every second, love you know, every time.
Yes. Natisha, blessings to the SunRise team.
Yeah?
Big up the SunRise team. The nurse them.
Bless up. Big up yourself. Your food basket never run dry.
Come on your phone. So this is what the nurse them done, you know?
You guys food basket never run dry. Big up and bless up.
Yes. SunRise team. Barney. Big up the SunRise team, the nurse them.
The nurse them, you know. Yeah, Barney, you know. Yourself, you know. Thanks to the people who are sending out the people themselves. Everybody in the family, big up yourself to your team.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. One team.
Dream team. Princess. Come big up the nurses then, the SunRise team.
Yeah man. One team.
SunRise team.
SunRise team. Give thanks, you know.
Okay, so if you find anything for my friend Faith?
Faith? No, I'm not finding.
So you have to go look again. Look again. Because I can't believe Faith in that bag. Yeah, my friend Faith. No. You have to go look again.
Yeah man, I look man.
Look again. Say not to buy anymore. Say not find nothing yet. We find one panty there for you, you know. One big one. You give her the bingo for me. I have a big bingo there for you. Hey, see.
It's different from your team, man.
Come here, party girl.
Yeah, it can't fit me.
See it here? Are you listening at the party tomorrow? Come now. Size 10. Ui. Size 10 at the party tomorrow. Hey. Walk out in the video because you're cute, girl. Hey, you don't know style, man. You know, good you look at.
So me I do it 10 for my.
She wears size 4, but sometimes she can't wear 10 because she make extension. Yes, guys, she will take the scene, right? She wears size 4, sometimes 10. I don't know how she make it work, but she do make it work. So I guess she can grow her toes them overnight and then stretch, you know. So as you see what I go on, everybody's, you know, helping themselves. So less work for us. Good thing everyone is here, so we don't have to go look for anyone. So nice slippers. I hear size this. Stone love. I hear size. Yeah, we are 10. It's a pole. I got a fair size. 10. Look, show you how I go on. Tell us that here, not because you're 10. It's a small 10. So up I, yo.
Now tell us it can't fit me, look.
Alright, I have something over fit you. Look there. Look there. Don't worry about the heel back. Alright, this will fit you. No. Yeah, try this.
One jacket?
Yeah.
Yeah, it will fit me. Thanks.
Oh, you know, see, I know your size.
No, this sucker can't fit me. Thanks.
Exactly. That's why I know this will fit you. Don't
cannot fit
listen now.
me.
You see the way see the way all this design, the heel back come out.
Fit
you know?
that big. I'm 10 now. What am I going to that?
Try it on.
Oh yeah, 8.5. That's a 10. That's
Polak, tell her to try it, you know. Listen now, these modern shoes, yeah. When they hear 10, it fits like 8. When they hear 8, it fits like 6. So please, try it. I bet it fit you. You see me? Exactly. I bet it fit you.
But it can't fit me. It can't fit me too.
Alright.
If you could have fit me, you can't fit me. I'm not going to take something that can't fit me. You can't fit me.
Oh, I'm more say can't fit her. I find. I choose more stop go dance now. The next foot. Yeah. Where next foot for that babe?
Yes. Where next one there? You find next one? You find first.
I'm looking for a champion for this. Oh, Jody can't fit you? No, I lie. Jody.
That can't fit. This is 10.
It's a 10. This can't fit Jody. Oh, this can't fit somebody for true. Cap, Wagwan, big up. Baby cups.
What? Baby cups?
Yeah. We need to find this. This shoes here is really nice. I'm gonna find somebody to fit this tonight. Killer. Killer, woman clothes. Oh, your son? In good man, fit na road too. Bad na looking. I'm looking for a champion for this size. I'm looking for a champion. Eh? Fire more somebody way. Wait. I want to choose somebody, I don't want you to choose. Fire is big, it's too small. Too small. Too small. Baby, we can't find the winner so soon. We have to try again. SunRise. Price.
Come on, color price.
Yeah. Stand up market. It's not a bend.
Look good close to free.
No. And this is a stand up market, not bend down market. Where go on? Hey, you know, say, how are your mommy there? Where the mommy there? You know, say, me alone there, I take a pan. Where go on? Hey, come here. Come here, come here, come here. What's your name? Hey, this, hey? You got us. Come out of the road. Baby, we'll find the person. Come here, we'll find the person. Fire, come fit this one out for me, please.
No, watch out.
Fit it.
Hey, go now. Hey, go now.
That's good. That's good. Fit her. That's good. Fit her. Oh God. Can fit her. Yeah. Try it. Me, let me try it. She try it. Let she try it.
Should I tell you, baby?
What's our jeans shouldn't have one of them bags there? Come out the road. Come out the road. Come out the road. At the car. I can't see. No, that's somebody will literally have a car. Yeah. That's a car. Hey, you see them here? Them here? Police. This is chicken noodles. Let them give some water. Boom. Take out some of the water and give them bag. This is chicken soup. You know what it is? Yeah. Eh? Can I get everything already, eh? I hope to see you in church on Sunday. Well, look where I come. Look. No, him said dada today. But daddy. That's all. Alright, anyone see me go. Listen, if you want to somebody, I'm look at him that come. Come here. So thanks to the nurses, them SunRise team nurse.
Good evening, nurse. Welcome and thanks for your support, you know. This is a single madam, so thanks for your support very much.
Alright. Tell people what's going on over there. You falling down? We have to go put it on top of the. Yeah, put on top of the fridge. And it can't stay on the ground there. I don't say the rat them come.
Only a boss saying.
That boss?
Yeah.
Alright, bring it outside. Of course, let them share up that. Turn it upside in down. Let them get some bag and share that. Bring it back down this. Flour, put out. Get bag. We'll give some of the flour there. Get bag. We'll give some of the flour there. Move the flour. Fire, get proof and share the flour. Bring the flour, right? Bring it down here so come in shop.
Bambara, you really want the floor. You will like fun.
Yeah.
I really like fun. Hey, look, boy! Come to this!
Water, eh?
Yeah, look. Hey boy, carry on my monster, man.
Water? Eh? Water in the summer.
Alright, hey, you see what you
Me now with the monks. Ah, leave me. Father. Flow me here. Flow me anything you want, you can take yourself. It's brand new.
What the fuck good I make that show, you know? You don't want to flour? You come back and come and get flour now?
Oh, them in a cook. You not cook.
You don't want nobody else to
See that, take that. You not cook. You can't cook. Eh? Want to open it? They can't cook. Yes, so we find the winner. Alive. Wow, chef.
See, let me just watch
pose now. Fire! We find the winner. Watch pose now.
Wow, well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. As you can see, boy, I'm gonna tell you, the SunRise team, we want to thank you so much, you know, each and every one. Like, I'm telling you, it's just too much to say, you know, but we really appreciate, and as you can see, everyone is grateful for everything that you guys done, you know, and as I said, this is only the beginning, you know, there's greater things to happen, you know, greater things to come, you know, this is only the beginning to a greater future, you know, for helping out our needy and less fortunate here in Trenchtown, you know, moving forward, because as you can see, you know, everyone definitely, they enjoy the stuff then, you know, it came at the right time, you know, because I'm telling you, it's the love, like it's felt when I was there, and it felt from afar, it felt from near and far. And I cannot stop thank you guys so much. I'm telling you, boy, like the blessings that is pouring right now in Trenchtown, we just can't see what's gonna happen for the future. You know, and we don't know our best, you know, as you can see, people is helping themselves. Rasta Jackson, all is well. So as you can see, everyone is trying to help themselves. You know, we have the flour here, you know, we're giving flour for who can get flour as well too. You know, like as you can see, box empty.
Yeah, I'm gonna get flour.
Yeah, you get flour as well.
Dumpling and butter.
We come out of the road, so 2 boxes empty already. We have more stuff here, same way. Still have more stuff. 2 boxes here. People trying to finish them off, you know, but there's so much.
You have to go find the owner for this thing.
Yeah.
I
We'll find the owner. Even the kids them, you know.
You have to look to the rest. Look over there,
Flour, wanna get flour? Miss that here, Miss baby, a husband and wife. Guys, so look at the couple over here. Ex-couple. Daddy and Bobby. Oh, so that me can't believe say you go wear that shoes there. Where you go stone love?
No, me I got church over 7 minutes.
Oh yeah, we go church. You know, sure to have too much pressure on you. Yeah, you be able for that sitting down. Hey, Bobby. Bobby, where you said they must eat them food and mind them business.
Yeah. That we do.
That you do. Eat the food and mind the business. Alright then.
And thank you for the being a coming love.
Yes. You want more? How much again? Alright. That pay. Want some more? You want soup as well?
One of them.
That pay. Give me 3 more of the soup then, please. We get 3 more phone, yeah?
Yeah.
Hold on.
God bless you, my dear. We love them.
2. Yes, another one.
Thank you very much. Your best store basket never empty. where I go with maybe this tell her say there's one little girl but this can't to this place.
Yeah.
You can't pick this little girl. One girl with our kitty picture.
Okay. Alright. But don't worry, we have more soup for you, yeah? We have more of the soup then for you.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Alright.
I hope your store basket never empty, always filled. And thank you for all.
Yeah, man.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.